Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? Let's go!
Oh, go on there.
I'm glad I see you. Hey, you honor that, no man.
Come help me like how you tell her that. I want to cut the honey. Want to make some fish tea.
Yeah.
Real Jamaican fish tea. Chang up your back, you know?
Aye.
Yes.
Aye.
And one day, me start cut here already up at top.
Yeah, man, I whole light you want.
Yes, the whole light, cut off the whole light. No one honey I take off them. I don't want to get no tougher.
Yeah, man. Yes, man.
All right.
Nice.
Anyway, you see,
Nice,
two,
nice.
they know so kind of fit.
Mm-hmm.
When you get fit,
Yes.
me can give you 1 or 2 on. But you see this, me can take it for me here. Some fish tea me about make.
No problem, man.
You say young you know, nice to make some
Nice,
real
nice.
fish tea. Take the whole light if you want.
You sure?
Yeah, me sure. Then the whole bunch not for me.
Why, Chisha, you did me good, you know, man. Ah, God,
Take
man.
it,
That's
man,
how I love
because
this side, man.
this are mine. And when you
What
fit
you know?
up more, you can get all
So,
2
like,
and
when
a
you
half.
give me this now, then, you know, say, me really did come link about look of salt and 2 onion.
Can get him, man. Come on, come feed. You
Yo,
can get him, man.
you're a good neighbor, you know, man.
Salt alone you did one?
Salt and onion, man.
Alright, no problem. Me have that.
If you have no pepper, there too.
Me have everything.
Yes? Yes, sir. Taking them. Wow. Good stuff. Bro. How go on, my brother?
What you want
I
now?
never see you, you know.
What you doing here? What you want now?
Then bro, me make you know so still, you know.
Hmm.
You walk up and running, you know, and like how you are the councillor, you see me?
Mm-hmm.
You must can give me two of them contract that when me see you hand out in the community, because I say we have blood and you're supposed to look out for me, though.
You have degree? Hmm? You think we don't know family member, you know? When you see somebody in your family come successful, all of a sudden the world and everybody are running, want this, want that, want that. Look here, man. Look what you do, waka. Eh? You just waste your time. You waste your time and look at you now.
It is an honest living, bro.
Me not saying no honest virgin, but look at me and look at you. Eh? You not shame of yourself?
Can't shame, brother. That is all the things said.
We have the same opportunity. And look what you take up.
And it chose me, you know. Circumstances and this just chose me. But, you see me, I just a means to an end, you see me? But at least me not carry down the name and I do wrong things, bro. Me I do a honest living so you can help out the situation, because I know you get the good contract.
Me no in a no way a means and farm to help you now. If you want a little gas money, me can give you figure out a deal with you, a little waka thing. But at the end of the day, that is basically it.
Yeah, I really appreciate that, bro, man. Yeah, man. Anything.
You know, so me just make a statement there and to tell you the truth. You know I don't walk with cash now. I have check and I have card. Anyway, take that dirty walk out my face, man. Can't help it. I'm not in a position to help you now. Alright, sir?
Alright then, brother. I think just guess that's how it go.
Take care of yourself, man.
But if you know nobody, you see me, won't want the yard to get cut, you can, you know.
No, man, no worry, man. At least know that.
In a word for me.
Anyway, come here.
Wait, so you change your mind, bro?
No. Here what happened? Brother, how much time I have to tell you? Just keep the dirty thing up my face. Listen to me. Something I beg you do for me. The position that I am in right now, I can't afford to make anybody know that you and I are related. Yet brothers. Because if them people get a hold that I have a brother chopping yard and cutting yard and do all kind of little low work, it's problem for me.
I really... John.
You have to understand. If them people get a hold of what you do and see where I am up there and you there, it's problem.
Alright, bro.
Okay?
Have a good day, sir.
Yeah, so just don't want to argue with anybody. I don't know you. Alright?
Alright,
Okay?
bro.
But I know you know, but you know what I mean. Alright? Nobody load up the thing. Can't talk to you on my terms. Alright? Yeah, man. Have a nice day. Alright. Hold the faith, man. Hold the fire yard around and want to cut. Want to cut them.
Trisha.
May I come?
Alright, there you are, my friend. Come on, man.
Wagwan.
There you are, mama. Everything good?
Mm-hmm. Wagwan. Yeah, deal
Let me
with.
get a look of roast, my G.
I lie. Thank
Yeah,
God.
get a look of roast, man, for cut a 1 yard. But watch you know. You don't have no money for buying a gas. You can't give me a thing there.
Yeah, man. What you mean, man?
God bless you, man.
I have $5,000 me have still, you know. So,
I don't want so much, but you can't maybe just buy
no,
some.
man, me no have no change. At
Oh,
this me have.
understand.
So, how much the gas?
About $1,000 gas can't work, man.
So, buy it out of it.
Alright.
And you can take 5 bills to buy a drink, you know? And come back 3-5, come give me.
No, but watch you know, man. I go get a food off I cut in and say, I'm good.
No problem, man. Just take $1,500 and come back 3-5, come give me. Here?
LG, you know, man.
Yeah, man.
See all the rain out for fall.
Alright, so.
Chat.
Me can give you one raincoat. Because I want you to do the piece of roast. You know?
Respect, man. Yeah, man.
Alright.
You can't do it same in the
Yeah,
rain.
come.
Yeah. Oh, God, man. Why is a blessing in my neighbor?
Alright, so.
No what me would have do without you, man.
Yeah, man. Come on, you get the work one done properly. So they can call you back again.
Say a word, man.
Alright, so look more here.
Later, I'm care about this income gear, yeah?
Alright, cool.
Bless
Alright,
up.
later.
Me almost reach out. Me reach out to entrance. Oh God.
Oi, Jose. Yeah, Musa.
Me tired. Me reach out to entrance. Sorry.
Yeah, I did.
Where's that, Johnny? What?
What you mean, my wife? Long time, and I look fine, you know.
What a pie! Where you say, Johnny? No, look here. Go and go cut. No cut the yard. Go and go cut the place.
Your yard no one cut.
Me don't have nothing for your cut for me land. I always cut. No. Go and go cut the yard.
Let me tell you something nice, no, man.
Look here.
Rub
No,
down your neck
listen.
and kiss off your spine.
Off! I don't pass the place. I could have fresh.
Yeah, Musa.
Johnny, go and
Josie.
cut yard.
A long time me I watch you, you know, Josie. Feel like you should have let me get piece of juice in, you know. Me a good youth, you know. We get the whole of the waka money.
Listen to me. Go and go comb your broom. May I have underneath the chin. You just go and go relax yourself. Go and go cut the place. You go and go cut the people them place.
So you did me?
What's the torment? Listen to me. Let me make you get this clear. Me no want no man at all we cut yard. You see, for you cut yard, no can't deal with me. Me tell you something. As much as you see me there, me no want any kind of man. You cut your yard, stay focused and keep cutting your yard. I don't want you to cut no yard. I don't want you to cut my yard. So just go and do your thing and just leave me.
You're going like us, me and can make a good link. We can work together, you know.
Let me ask you something. No cut yard.
Yeah.
No cut yard, don't you?
So what that have to do with anything?
Keep cutting your yard. You see, any man at all when me have, you have to make sure say in the pan female level or above.
But
You
me
see
taller
there,
than you.
listen, you see how me there so and turn up and I look drive. My friend I come pick me up now for can make her work. My friend I come pick me up now for can make her work. Me no want no man when I drive money something. They not deal with me. When I talk about no deal with me. Not deal with me. And last time I go say this to you, Johnny.
So car man, you love.
Call it what you mean. Me no want you for you they walk food. And you they cut yard and something.
So
Level up.
You know want my money?
Johnny level up. You me I say just keep cutting the yard and just your thing. Me no want no conversation with her right now.
Alright, Josie. Everything, Chris, here.
You good
One
man.
walk your ways, man, here. One of these days, you see me? You go see me, you know. A walker. You know want a walker, man, no? Hey, walk on. Yeah, there. Walk on.
Johnny,
Hey, what you say there?
want to talk to you about something.
Eh.
You ever buy lotto yet?
But every now and again, do a thing. Oh.
I want dream me get man, but me never really buy them something there yet, you know?
Where you go?
Me will give you a number them.
Alright.
Because you see the dream when me get,
Mm-hmm.
the number them come out plain and straight. And I put them in on my phone
Yes.
to remember it to tell you. You see, through you are my friend, me
Yeah.
choose to tell you, me not tell nobody else. So you
Alright.
see when me give you, make sure you say you buy it, you know.
Me about look what thing can buy, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Johnny, if you win, you remember me.
God, Trisha, man. I want to you, man. Trisha, me I come from far. Now, how me forget you? How you give me salt when time I not salt and sugar when time I not sugar, you know? How me forget you?
All right. Where your phone?
Where you go?
You ready?
Mm-hmm.
All right. 22,
Yes.
33,
Got you.
18,
Right.
25,
Okay.
4,
Mm-hmm.
and 1. You have 6 number?
Yes. 1, 2,
Look money
3,
good and make sure you say you have it.
4, 5, 6. Yes. All right.
Yes.
6 number. Yep. So you say I want dream you get?
Johnny,
Mm.
that dream is straight. Me
Yeah.
have a strong feeling say maybe you win. You're not have to win, you know, but maybe you win.
Say it's a chance and out there and
So
thing.
just try, you hear?
Me go try, man.
All right, but do remember me. You know how far where I come
Trisha.
from?
Anything moving, you have to get half of that. I want to you.
I rate him and I can't tell him my number, you know.
rate
I
me,
could have
rate
tell
me.
one of my family them, you know. You're just my friend, you know, but me rate you like that as a family. All right, make sure you say bye.
Yeah, man, I say a word, man. Go on, cut that. Yeah.
Welcome to the Lottery Draw, where we make winners, millionaires, and billionaires. Get your tickets out and let the game begin.
Yes.
First number is number 22. Going down, we have number 33. The third number would be number 18. I hope you're feeling lucky today. Fourth number is number 25. Going down, we have number 4. I hope you're a winner today. Your last and final number would be number 1. $25 million lottery draw. Have you guys a good day?
Mama.
Thank you.
Yes.
Alright.
Why son hot ya?
Thank you for the water.
Yeah, man, you don't know.
Yeah,
the
man.
least that, man.
Tastes like you did have put sugar in this one. Anyway. Johnny. You know what when we did you did buy the lotto?
So, no buy nothing. Never, so until the time come, everybody have the money and the time go pass. You know what I worry about that, man, because we don't win nothing. Like I say, you win now. We never win nothing. You never watch it? You watch it?
No, here I know. It's why I not believe in a dream. Come on, dream not straight, yeah, man. I not say every dream not straight, you know, but anytime me dream, it come like it can't straight my youth. Because I think say number them would have play. I can't believe say no buy.
Yeah, I say even if I did buy it, I waste it and I waste my country, though.
So you hear them call out the number? So you know say no play. So you know we check out and see if the number them call.
No. I go get hopes up high, and then if you don't play, you know I go feel a way about it. I don't feel no way, man.
Left that sense we check it then to see if you play.
Left that alone. Right. Next draw, we'll check it. We just buy it and check it. Next, you know what I feel? I even feel like I next draw it I go play now. Cause this one just too sudden pound.
But I think you should have buy this a time and the next time, not stop buy and feed away.
So we have money. And so we have money in the time hard, my friend. Just see and know that time hard, so we have money. But the next draw, definitely I go put together. As a matter of fact, I go carry it with me and go buy it. So we did the same time and we have receipt what I go on.
I don't want to come with you when you go buy it. I remember I'm not really buying them something. You can go buy yourself, man. Anytime you're ready. Just
that man tell you say you can't trust me, man. I'm not going to run anything. You what? You what, man? Let's look out for that, yeah, man. Because he's not a gambler. No, you nor me is not gambling. So, I don't see why we're supposed to build a conversation about it. Or the less, I trick them and try to trick if you take our man money, you know. Them know what they are doing, you know.
I kind of believe you because nobody done this aside and never win it.
I've never, you know, so nobody will win that.
If you drink them something left them round the side, you know. What go on?
A day.
A day I want them.
That know me.
Wait. Johnny?
Yeah.
Pants, yeah.
I did.
Yeah.
Well, and really, Johnny them call me now these days, you know. Yeah, man, things change, man. Right now, Malibu the thing there, is it?
Malibu.
Yeah, man, straight.
Yeah, see the chain and thing and life look decent.
Cool, man. I even have to talk it in there right there. So
brother, I mean, yeah,
you don't know the thing, go. So you don't know, say, me in a certain company right now and I'm up on a certain level, so I have to pre certain things.
You understand?
So I'm come link you, you see me?
Listening.
Yeah, man. I need to get some eyes around me, you see me? Because my two alone nah do it. Yeah,
when you say eyes, I mean protection.
Yeah, man. You don't know
right
the thing,
piece of
man.
brother.
Oh, I'm telling you, man. Because you don't know there are levels to this thing, and once you step in a certain little thing, you have to step up the game, and I don't really want nobody come and pre my food, isn't me?
That is it.
Yeah, man, so I'm going to need some protection around the scene. So you don't know. So you're the right person to come give you one link and sort that out.
And that, man, you are going now, see?
Yeah.
When you talk about protection, you talk about stuff. You talk about you know what I mean, car and shoes. We can, too, you know what I mean? So,
How we do it now,
Yeah.
Send on a piece of food.
Right.
Now me talk about a substantious, don't even know the word, brother. A long time using word amount. And this when you send on them food you get some corn and shoes. If you corn and shoes them, I'll protect you. Cause my boys them ready, brother. From me say,
I'm ready.
I say. You know what I mean?
You know that I want to hear, man.
So you are going now. When you can forward that thing in, cause you sound like you're ready.
I mean, my man, you just need to tell me what you want, man. I'm going to do what you do, man.
5 mil.
5 mil.
5 mil. Cause we need corn, we need shoes, and we need proper stuff. We don't need nothing what, like use already, one brand new. Cause it's a new operation. 5 mil.
5 mil steep, still in my G. Watch out, man. I give you a mil. And you just sort out some operation from that.
Alright, so it's 1 mil?
Yeah, man, I can give you a mil. And make you sort out what you need to sort out. Still, you see me?
That's a start. We now go, you know what I mean, bootstraps, cause that can bring on a few can and so forth and you know what I mean. Now you can get maybe 2 or 3 shoes depending upon whom you're gonna link up right now. Cause me say brand new we need it. Business is business. It's your location where you used to live, you have to change it. Just a code. That's how we deal with things. No, you know what I mean? Don't pause your brain. Let me take care of that. See? So most of your friends them I used to deal with, you have to ease them off. Cause right now it sounds like things step up. So what you have to do now is understand so it's a new page you have to turn. New leaf. Trust me man. My ropes is on my streets. You know what I mean? My lines. So you are going. Step in my office. See it? Start out.
Alright, boss. Hello? Anybody here? Who is it? It's a plumber, you know.
Yeah.
I think I'm a general.
Yeah, the big brother.
Everything good? Yeah, man. How are you there, sir?
Hey, me there, so.
I realize, say, me not see in the community again and now me see you so trash out and thing.
No, man, there no such changes, make man. Thing go on for me, you know.
So how can a big piece of food they get make this a big change how happen?
Oh, no, say, a lot of money, you know.
Jano? A lie.
Yeah, man, eat a piece of food, man.
That means you can come back in the community, man, and help some of the people around there and think you don't know. Good for see when I get to youth and bust out, you know.
Oh, no, man. Man, I depend on that, you know. Oh, sir. Mad. That's why I move. I want to stay far away from them things, eh.
Jano. Nah, lie still, you know. But you feel say you will understand the struggles in the ghetto. But at least even come back and come help you youth them and things still. You see me? I don't expect say I don't want to use the word say rich and sweet still no, but I don't expect that still, I not lie.
No, man, I depend on that, man. Nah, man. So right now, I depend on a different level, you know. Depend on different meds. So right now, I'll buy up some new shoes and some slippers about the place. Yeah, man, I have to have things and people are watching my head back 24/7. Because you don't know this thing you're going, you know. You have the food, you have to make sure so you protect the food. I don't want nobody come and beg out the food, you know. Because I don't want this done. So I have to make sure so I do everything what I do to keep it, you see me?
Alright, well, I pipe me come fix still, you know, and for that just say that just say still me can fight up on that. You see me?
So what you know, I beg you one favor still, you know. But I tell nobody say me.
No man, everything go on, man. You don't know me now. Not really business with people business still, you see me?
Yeah, man. So far, no? So,
Johnny!
Hello?
Hello, Johnny there, you're calling for me, please.
Good evening.
Good day. You can call Johnny for me, please.
You know Johnny move?
What do you mean, Johnny move?
Yes, Johnny move. Win lotto and move. So I get this place to rent. That's why you see me here. Yeah.
Me and Johnny are friends, and I'm a neighbor. Oh, Johnny move on and tell me. I don't understand it.
Me not know what to tell you, miss,
You
but
sure say you is not Johnny woman?
no. Me not know if to tell you, but what I've heard is him win the lotto.
Johnny
And
win
him
lotto.
rent a house by the scheme.
Johnny win lotto? No man. Johnny could never win lotto and me no know about it. Me and Johnny is like this. Me can't believe said Johnny win lotto and move out and not tell
Miss,
me.
I don't know what to tell you.
No,
That's
me
what
can't
I've
believe this.
heard.
This is not true.
He win the lotto and rent a room by the apartment of a scheme.
So alright then, here.
No problem.
Alright, thanks.
You're welcome.
Bruce, what going?
Me there. You couldn't tell me, say, for your friend Johnny win lotto.
Me just here.
Is a way still fi say you just here still and yeah, him such a close friend. And hear what happen? But me not like boy where Johnny win the money. You know so Johnny take him money and I buy be a gun for you them up so. Yeah, I buy be a gun for him and them.
So he couldn't think about nothing else. More important if he sort out film life and his family life, although he win, not tell me, not give me no money, nor nothing and gone. He couldn't go do something if I build up some little place and give some young youth some work. He buy gun.
Mm.
Well, I feel money, you know. Anything I want do it, he do it. But Johnny wicked enough. Bruce, me can't believe say me and Johnny are such a friend. And Johnny, why? Me not even know if it tell us say. Johnny really winning lotto. And then Ginal me. Gambo in business, buy gun. You know what I'm saying? My mind tell me say. I the number them when me give him. He
Well,
buy and win.
you give him number?
Yeah, me give him some number.
Well,
My mind tell me say it.
you can check in and see what play you know. You see me, but I wish Johnny all the best and I hope say at some point in time he wise up and realize he can invest his money, you know. If you take it, I buy gun and sitting and go rent apartment, move in an apartment and not even him own. But so you got still each to his own, you know. Alright, so you can check man, so if anything
You know
look
what I
more.
say? Alright, now me I'll check it out.
Check him man, look more.
Hello, you can give me a number them we played for the last. Johnny, I saw you come down. What make you so wicked and heartless? Oh, you're so cruel. What kind of friend you be? Imagine, Johnny, after me dream, the number them, Johnny. And to me tell us, say, me no have no money to buy lotto. And me no like buy them something them. Me give you the number, Johnny. Johnny, imagine, you buy the number them, and you win. And you don't even tell me. I hear me here. Say you win lotto. I'll buy a house and change everything, boy. Location, everything. Johnny is a wicked man.
Hold on. Trisha, where you find me?
What you mean how me find you?
Oh, you know say I live here.
Ask pass, you can't last. Them a go tell me where you live and everything where you do. You're a wicked, evil, heartless,
talking about?
dirty rich.
Trish,
You!
is my cousin come down from foreign and say I must come go and stay at your house with him. What is wrong with you? I don't know what you're talking about.
Johnny, me and your friend for a long time, you know.
Yes, then that me know.
Johnny, really, I take me for one piece of idiot, you know.
Me not take it for what?
Johnny, you, Johnny.
What me do?
You, Johnny, will always come ask me for things. Any little thing you ask me for me give you. Salt, flour, sugar, all when your gas done. And me take me gas we almost done and give you. And you carry back empty, come give me and me see one of you fully. Johnny is a wicked friend.
What is all of this for?
You're a friend enemy.
What is all of this for?
What you mean what is all of this
don't
for?
do nothing.
You not see me a suffer. You not see the life where me I live. God Almighty, Johnny, you don't have no heart. Me give you the
what?
number them and you win, Johnny. And you
what?
hide it, and you still hide it from me. Look how you dress trash. Look there.
It's my cousin jewelries them.
And your cousin clothes too.
No, him bring down something for me. You don't need to lie to you.
Your cousin. Are you are yourself cousin? Come in and know no cousin where you have. Why you never go to your cousin where they talk about for a long time? Go beg him this and beg him that and make him send money come give you. And me, dream the number you forgot?
You see? Trish, you cannot come into my place like this. You're making up this one bag of noise in the community. Eh? This is an upscale place, you know. You cannot come here so with your local ghetto mentality. Eh? You see how we live in lavish and living fine. You need to.
Johnny, shut up your
now.
dirty mouth. Me know why you're nothing from you. You get so intelligent now and polite. You're full of brain now, and all of a sudden you don't remember where they come from. Down in the ghetto when me there. When me still there. Johnny, you know what? Me no come to in and no long and answer story talking with you. You know what me come about?
What you come about?
The number them when me give you, where they hide and they go on like a semi-idiot, you know, win. Me know say you win, give me for me thing. Me want for me share now. Me come for me share. Give me it now, Johnny, and make me go on and me I go. Me know this a long bag of story with you.
All right. Trisha, hear what? I can't do this one bag of running round thing with you. I'ma come straight. You see, this is why I move from where I move from, you know. I leave on the peasants down in the local ghetto area where they come from. Because I can't bother with this local nagging and this local hinky and come for this and come for that. Sit. I'm not into that. Your money you come for? All right, Trisha. I go and give you a local thing. You see? And you see when time I give you this little thing, I want you to forget that you ever know me or hear about me, you know. I want you to go on your local ways. Yes? I need you to move along. Because this relationship not going to work anymore. You see me? Me they at a level now, and you they down there, so. I am up here, so. You they down here, so. So you need to move along.
Congratulations.
I will give you a local thing.
Give me
a local
my
thing
money
you want.
now. You big up your thinking self with your dirty, stupid mouth. Like I say, yes, you're rich, you're the pan top now. And you're not low class no more. You're in a first class. Give me for me money.
So it's money why you coming up here making this one bag of noise? Eh? Little money. You know what? Give you something for she easy look sorry, yeah? So I find something that I use normally and buy my lunch, yeah? Police. And get out of here. For me I forgot call to my boys them for you. Come on. Excuse yourself from my presence.
$5,000, Johnny. Johnny, you really look for me and I give me $5,000 out of 70 million. And I make you the number then. Johnny, take back this. You know, say you don't know who you play with? You don't know who you play with. Just take back that, man. Buy yourself a drink. You see all them around your neck where they go on like I say nothing? Them here. I hope you carry your grape. Big up yourself, Johnny. Or yourself, but you not get away with it, you know. You not get away with it because you not prosper me and suffer. And I give you a number them. You're mad.
One. Rubbish. You don't know my new name. Come on, go on one bag of talking. Remember, I don't name that name no more. I have a new name in the streets. My name Malibu.
I'm tired of shit and the coffee ain't hit yet. Let's go.
Manners. Yeah, baby girl. Watch you now. Me a buckle of Remy now.
Remy Martin?
Yeah, man. Me a buckle of Remy. Cranberry. And a cup of ice, please. Cranberry.
So I can bury one.
Give me the red one. Yeah, I never matter worry about it, man. Just take up something and put it from and just put it side of this. You see me? Yeah. Respect.
So y'all wanna go drink Remy Martin?
Yeah, man.
That's the right. Me never see somebody like that, like just literally walk up in a one bar and buy one bottle of Remy Martin and I drink it for anyone. So you can buy me something.
Of course. So, hold on. You don't remember me?
You could have never asked that. I must remember you. No, you cut yard. You know you don't remember. Make it ask.
You used to cut yard, man. That was the past, isn't it?
What you mean?
Bigger than that, you know, is
You
it?
see me say I cut yard. What you mean say you used to cut yard?
Man, I tell you, so that was in the past, baby girl. Bigger than that, you know.
That you say so yard, you know.
Just know some have the pocket, you know?
So what on you chop you know?
Nah, man.
Cause chopping a inch nowadays, you know. You see, you chop ladder now.
But bigger than that, man.
So what you say me can't drink something?
Of course, you can drink something. I'll stop you. Anything you want, man, you can take it, is it?
For real. So you see how do you know? Come in and understand me. You just come in here, you buy the Remy Martin and you say me fi take something and something. So me I say since I'm not chopping now, see?
Yeah.
Cause looking at you make me I tell us that me see money.
A lot of them win the lottery, you see me?
Wait, say broke out a brightness with lotto?
Straight into richness, baby girl.
That I say.
Yeah, man.
Alright, so being that you drink Remy Martin, I really like Remy Martin, you know, I would have take one a Hennessy and give it.
Want anything you want?
I don't want that.
Mm.
Cause to be honest, I don't really like the liquor here. A Hennessy me drink really.
Where's the anything you drink, mama?
Yeah, Hennessy me drink when I like Remy Martin and Simpson. I drink Malta.
So you know, remember one time I did come on your yard and I cut your yard for you?
I'm
And did all I look
now.
you? And what you did say to me? Eh? You don't remember what you did say to me?
Me can't recall what me did.
Can't remember though.
Me can't talk about
Yeah,
that.
man, then you never tell me say you don't want to walk man.
Me can't recall me telling
Yeah, man, you tell me say you don't want no walk man. So right now, to be honest, can't buy you no NSC, baby.
So let me ask you one question. Is something wrong with not wanting a walker man? Tell me.
So you could tell me,
You
you know.
have no data? How you don't feel for that I carry on my walker man content and say, Daddy, see me man here?
So hear me say, baby girl.
Mm-hmm.
You see my daughter, if she come home with a walker man, her choice that, you know, because, I mean, it's an honest work. You see me? So you can't beat a woman to that.
Let me tell you, I don't get no walker man or anything, you know. You understand?
What you mean?
But, listen now, just listen now, I mean, I don't really know what come on, but you see that day when we did really, in my element, I did frustrated or something. I mean, I go through one phase when I was in my work of bar and sitting, I'm really tired and frustrated. I did my day off, and my boss called me to come and work and sit and I have my yard to cut off. And so we never really want to get into it. You understand, but you have to understand, anyways.
But you have to understand this now, man. You hear me say now? You have to understand this now. I don't want a bar, man.
So what is wrong with being with a bar girl?
I don't see nothing wrong with her, you know. But not for me.
I don't really say me a bar girl. Right now, me just because me get laid off and something, so me just go and do look bar work, you know what I mean?
You know, man.
So just...
Right now, I stress the thing is it. So I just pay for my own and go on, isn't it? Well, listen. Keep the change. Because I just kill all my drink, to be honest, still, isn't it?
So this hour?
What do you mean by this hour?
300 US, 300.
Just do what I do now, man. Can't deal with the energy right now.
Same way.
Josie with the good. Yeah, man.
Hey, you must stop talking to me, so.
What you
Stop
mean?
talking to me like that. What you want?
Are you in my arms? You feel some want to?
Listen to me.
Oh,
And every bartender careless. Order what you want and go on. You come in a bar, you order what you want. If you want chill, you chill. You're my customer and me not go disrespect you. Me no want disrespect you. You could have bad from thy kingdom come to whenever me no care. Me no
Joseph,
afraid of you
hold on, man.
and
Hey, Joseph, ease not Joseph. Give me a drink of rum, man, and ease yourself. Calm down, man.
what you want. Tell me what you want.
Just give me something easy. I'm sorry, baby. Man, you drop off. You see me a time
Me
about...
alright, me not just. Let me tell you something. No, because you come in here and me they tell you what me they tell you, me they take sitting on your bill. Me just don't want you. Me I tell you something, me don't want you.
One day,
Me don't want
one
you.
day. Whoa, you look there.
Me go take sitting on your bill.
I have a problem with that. Take something as a vibe, one bill with you. If you understand, say, you draw my attention to this bar, you know. That if you know, I love the energy, I love the vibe. So I know you go on like me, I violate nothing like that. You know what I mean, Josie?
But you're not supposed to come in here and violate me because you know me, you been know me. And sitting, you're not supposed to come in and go on like I say, you want to put no argument to me. Listen, cut long story short and cut out the foolishness.
Who listen, man?
Johnny, you remember Johnny when cut hard? You know Johnny?
Yeah, no, yeah. One thing. In dead?
Johnny, when last I see him?
Are dead in dead?
Him man not dead. Everything I dead. Everything you talk about dead. When last I see him?
Can't tell me. Talk to me now.
With him there and Johnny come in here. Johnny winning laptop. Boss come in here, boss by one Remy Martin. And me ask him to buy one bottle of Hennessy and say, then I buy me no Hennessy because he did look me from when he did cut here and I sit and he talk cut here now. If I say broke cut this with laptop.
So a lot of win.
You hear me say? Where you see him? No, me ask him, where you see him?
Hold
He
on.
was coming in a green shirt, green polo shirt.
Think turn up.
He was coming in a one chain, nobody can tell me. Me I tell you, I don't know 1 million or 2 mil. Because me I tell me brother, when I didn't chain me, I mean I ask. Me I tell you, win a lotto. You win a lotto for you.
Thanks for telling me.
God know me I tell you, but
Me see him which day there, but me never know say a lot of. Thanks for telling me. Lot of.
how happened?
Cheers, man. Everything good. Everything organized now.
Pick up yourself.
You give me a nice vibe and idea. Oh, alright. Malibu. Yeah, I'm done. Malibu. Yeah, hold that. Bring her. Oh, bring her children up at my place. You never knock me on the dial. So make it think sound so. Ling up on all them thing there. Come out, man. Where is the video, man? Come on. That's the link for go. What do you mean the link for go? So if you go. See, I make it sound so. Let me protect you. So this thing go man bring you, man. You don't know, say I have my digits, man. You knock me upon the digits, though. As simple as that, man. I say. Say this, your phone a ring. Never seen a missed call. And that a problem, man. We ding it twice, some of this nothing, some of this roll through. Here we are going. Where are they? The shoes on the can, them kind of finish. So we need to, get some more shoes on can. So I don't know if you can, organize up, wrap up something again, because the boys them ready and everything lined up already. What you try to tell me, sir? No, stop going. Make it make sense to me, no man. Well, and then, no? Stop acting like you don't understand the business. The arrangement is me watch over certain things. The thing change, Some don't understand why you make it sound like say you're chicken out or you're cheap for the thing. No matter chicken. You start the sitting already just continue up on the same page because my boys don't like certain glitch and itch. But I give you a certain money already. Certain? By certain, them not give you food, big man. And you buy up the things them. You buy can and you buy shoes. And I say, alright then. So I anticipate say your data go further take the thing serious. I don't understand how you go tell me now say you need more shoes and more cans. So what I've been doing with them. Because I know I'm not getting in a war. So now that's the thing you can't see. Because we are cover everything. You see her over there, so. You know, you're pie. You might think a bike, a bus. And we are cover the place. So yeah, sir, that a go on. What you mean say that a go on, brother? And a joke thing this I know when you start it, you can't part it. You have to run continuously, like the river that flows. What I'm telling
The
you, bro.
understanding they give me in the initial stage. You say, I must buy the corn and distract them and hold off the block. But it's not sound good. It sound like every mountain you want to come link me for the thing. That can't go work. Whole heap of money that's no big man. And none of that I get my money for.
Yo, I don't know where you get your money from. See, I don't know where I go with your money, but you start a thing, you start a business. It's not something where we are say, boy, you go a shop, go buy one like sweet, you level it there, so. You start a business, bro. You have to continue, you can't stop. So just fuck up where you fuck up fast and let me know what I'm going. Give me a time when I can come link you back. Or what you just, because a long time I there still, I'm not supposed to do so right now, too long.
I'm not too know about that, you know. Big man thing, you know.
Huh?
Not too know about that still, you know. Because the money I'm getting is supposed to done already. Because I never employ no bagger man either, you know. And when time I see from the short, a bagger man I see no have done the
Army we are dealing with, we are talking about. We are cover the whole place. Army. We think I just saw one soldier you recruit, brother. You think one man can cover this? You see that big place here. You see lifestyle, one to you. Stop acting like a child, brother. Yo, as a matter of fact, I'll let you spot in but just give me a time. You talk about digits, dial the phone, and make me know when me pick up a thing. And that's the thing there.
You don't know about Pearland? You know you knew.
Jimmy!
Till what go on?
I'm there, Papa. How things?
No, so me there go on easy.
What do you mean, man? General. Big up yourself, you know. Man, show your vibes, now, bro. Yeah, man. You want to know, say, the one Johnny. I disrespect the whole thing. Yeah, man, because you are going. We go check him, man, because you don't know, say, things are out. I want back for reload certain things. I'm going to tell the man, say, yo, the car them done. I want some more shoes for the ends. And he must say, it's like he must say, me feel left from him place, because, you know what I mean? Nothing can go on and in and no money can, like he must say, boy, I know, monthly thing he want to deal with and all them something there.
Which Johnny at?
Johnny Bun Rice, man, the same man who give me the stuff there, man.
You sure, man?
Yeah, brother, don't give me a fault for me right now. The same one who call it what? A Modelo, I don't even...
Yo, you walk one, me I deal with him, man.
Nah, man, brother,
What you mean, say no?
I can't afford to forget now. Yo, it's because of me introduce him to the whole ends. Me wipe him out, man. What you say? What's simple, man? 1-3. Tonight, me I start him out. Yeah, man, out. Wipe out.
So you may say, so you have something them then?
Yeah, man, I have shoes them, brother. I have shoes them and thing. But then one day, it's like I want some new stuff, because you don't know it already. You know what I mean? Want upgrade.
Junior, we deal with it.
You want to deal with it?
Yeah, man.
Alright. So, Junior, get the stuff done for me right now. See? Forward for them, man, and thing. Right now, brother. Yo, and if, the worst thing about it, you know, is because we really, when I check for that brother here, you know. Yeah.
Johnny! Brother, what? You look so surprised. What happened?
Why you friend me like that, big man?
Johnny, what? You mean my friend here, Johnny? What happened?
No, man, you can't creep up on me like that, man.
No, man. What happened?
Who you walk past come up here?
I mean, by my reach past, I walk up. I walk on, I move, sir. Yo, me your brother, you know. What happened?
No, man, where you talk about, man?
What?
So, I'm not going to talk to my people, I don't understand how them manage make you reach up all in this
So,
place.
hold on there. How you move, say, now, my brother? How you move, sir, now?
So when since meet on your brother?
I mean, they may not come from the same mother and same pastor, I don't understand that, Bridget. All of a sudden, now you move, so what happened?
All of a sudden, me I move, so.
So, me can't talk to you.
Oh, now you want to talk to me?
Them not talk to you, man, sir.
Really?
Not in the handshake.
Really?
Not in the handshake.
No, man, you're good, man. What is it you want?
guess what? You know, say, me a councillor. And you know, say, me the right up there to go be MP. Just so. Zin?
Okay.
And you know, say, I just look funds. I want to just reach there and everything all right. And guess what now? All over the street, everybody here say, you win the lotto. So you what now? Me have a little deal if I tell you now. I just some money me I look. I want you invest in my thing. No man, one hand scratch the other man, you don't know say boy if you put your thing in my campaign and me up there. No man, never laugh off of me brother man. Just please, me I beg you, please. Just listen me out. And something will benefit you. If me up there, you have to up, well, you're up there already, but if me up there, you have more up there. Listen me man, when you invest in my campaign in a bridging, everything I me and you know. Everything cool. No laugh man, you know me, you know. Me at your mercy. No man, me at your mercy.
Really?
Yeah man.
So when time you was the councillor, as you should put it, and things did go on. So how you never did have me at the in the interest of your thing any at all? Me never did none at all, you know. And then all of a sudden, me come the point a prospect for help you and your campaign.
Listen, you always in my thoughts, you know. No matter what, you know, every day. Yeah man. Me I think for help you, but you don't know that. You think say me come from same man, same for me, see you down there sir, and elevate you. You would be a wicked piece of madman, man.
I just don't see how this benefit me right now that you of all persons, they are my doorstep, ask me for assistance. When time I was down there cutting the amount of lawns and grass, I never hear you all lobby for me and I tell nobody say, yo, watch on a man, help my brother give him some work or nothing like that. I never see it, I never feel it, I never see nobody there. There was nobody there for me.
Brother.
And then all of a sudden now, me turn into looking riches. Everybody want my assistance.
Forget about them people, man. Me and your blood. Me and your blood. As me say, one hand wash the other. There's no way me could have see you down there, me help you. Me just don't want to reach up there, brother. Me just don't want to reach up there. That's cool, man.
One hand wash
just,
the other.
God, brother, please, me I beg you. Me I beg you. As a sibling, please, me I beg you. Me need the help. Me need the help.
You say your name again? Brother. Bro. Right now, the only thing me have right now, you know, is my money. And you know, the only thing we have me is my money. And that keep my company right now, right through. Me don't need no other body. I don't need no more people. I don't need no more brother. I don't need no more family. Don't need no more friends. My money is my company. You're my brother, you know. But you're not my brother. So here what? Don't make the gate hit you on the way out. And when you pass my people them down the road, tell them say I need to have a talk. Because I don't understand how them actually let you up here in the first place.
You serious, brother?
As a judge, come there, I go up on the road, I change my mind.
Brother, just, brother. Yo.
Big man.
No, man, just relax. Yo, brother. No angle me, sir, man.
Me not angle you no way, sir.
Me need your help.
Me need you to help yourself outside.
No, reconsider. Just consider, brother, please.
As me say, tell them down here so I'm talking to them because I don't understand how them let you in.
Brother. Johnny. Brother. Johnny. Jesus Christ, why not tell you? Money really change people.
Name of tell her. You know, see, Papa and you say, Johnny, get that shot by same man them in by heap of gun them.
What you say?
Yes, me hear Papa and news. So last night, they run in pan Johnny and kill him.
So what they kill him for?
Come like you
What
know.
kind of mix up in now?
Come like you know hear me I say. You remember somebody done show you say Johnny from him winning lottery and buy up one heap of gun for some boy around so.
Oh, remember say they tell me for true. So when gonna mix up in a
Why?
know,
Why
yes.
Trish?
unfair gameplay twice? You know that? Don't.
I say you go for true.
Yeah man, karma. A karma reach him. Me not glad say happen to him, you know. But a karma reach him, man. You know what he do to me?
Me see it, at least he could have give up some money out of money when he win. And he have to run around and get himself involved in a one bag of setting. But it is what it is. He would when choose.
In dishonest. Because in dishonest, that's why that happened to him. Can you imagine? Look how far me and him come from.
True.
Hey.
True.
Karma, man.
I didn't expect it still, but so you go still. So you go. I'm choose that road there.
Me not saying if it dead, you know, or indeed fit dead, you know, but see him dead not surprise me. To you ain't wicked and heartless. Right now, not even funeral, me not going grave digging 9 nothing. Cause me did take him for my friend, but a friend enemy. Me not go for me enemy grave got enough. Go do what?
Well, Trisha can't look at it like that still is like your enemy. It's what it is in get when. Me not say get when you deserve, but that road ain't take. So I say you go.
Me not nothing to say more than me tell you say unfair game, play twice. Me tell you already, me don't talk.
Alright, but like you not cook still, me go chat on. So find thing later, alright?
Yeah man.
Alright, yeah man. Trish.
No, stay out there, so. Stay out there, so. Stay out there, so. Stay out there, Johnny.
Trish.
Wait.
Don't do me that, man. Just cool, man. Just hear me out.
No,
Just hear
no,
me
Johnny, you hear me out if you're real and if you're living still. Me hear say you're dead. So where they do yourself?
I'm dead, me dead.
Johnny, the living and the dead, listen, live and dead don't mix together. Go back where they come from, Johnny.
A false news, Papa, I did a register, man.
What do you mean false news?
I just shot me, did get shot, me never dead.
See there? You get shot, Johnny, you're dead. Don't come near me.
Me not
Me
dead,
know say me
Trish.
a dead friend. But before you're dead, me and you became enemy.
Trish,
Don't,
me
Johnny.
know you have all right to treat me so, Trish. Me not have, me honestly I promise you,
Johnny.
me see and me understand and me believe you, Trish. But me I beg you hear me out. Me know say me treat you bad, Trish. You are my only friend. You were the only person, Trish. But actually treat me like a somebody. Anytime I want anything, you'd have give me, Trisha.
So when you did living, you never know that? Eh? And what kind of Anansi story you come with now?
I know Anansi story, man. Me apologize, my friend.
You apologize?
Me apologize.
So
I beg you for some
you
forgiveness.
couldn't do it when you're alive. Now you come in at the spiritual realm. You come to me in a spirit to tell me
my
you're
friend,
sorry.
I promise you,
Me forgive you for a long time. Johnny, no come near me.
Trish.
Alright. What you say now? Cause you look like you're alive with you. What you say? I'm kind of afraid still.
I do a whole heap of foolishness.
Mm-hmm.
And my judgments were clouded by some bad decisions. You see me?
Mm-hmm.
Me make the money get over me and overpower me. And me should have never do that, especially to the one true person, real person who did actually there around me and care for me. And you was the one person, Trish. And
Johnny,
me mess
tapping
up.
eyes there. Hold on. So you remember? You remember, say, I was the one who was there for you from the start to the end. And you turn around and dish me dirt. You dash dirt in my face and find new friend. You find all kind of somebody. And you turn your back on me, Johnny. If you're dead for hungry at me. Johnny, if you don't have no clothes on your back on me. Johnny, if you want to work and you don't have the fear or gas, on me. Johnny, if you want food and you're hungry, me rather give you the last one I have and none. I rather don't eat any and give it to you. Johnny, you really do me this? Johnny, me a dream. Me dream one number. As a matter of fact, a 6 number. 6 God Almighty number, me dream. Who to tell if I know my great grandma? Tell me the number. For me come out of poverty. Johnny, just because I'm not used to buying them something there. Johnny, me give you the number as a friend and as a neighbor, Johnny. Johnny, God Almighty, Johnny, I saw you do me, Johnny, will make you wicked to me as a friend. So Johnny, you didn't take me for no friend.
Me feel a way about the situation and trust me, it was just as hard and painful for me come and beg you for forgiveness. Me I beg you, Trish. Do forgive me. And me I gonna make it up to you. Because as to God, Trish, me sit down and me really get some true reflection for myself and in my life. And you deserve half of that money there. And I'm going to make sure, say, you get your share. I promise you, Trish. I not lie to you. As me live it right here, so, me should have did do this from the get-go. But then it took me through a rough road to realize, say, me should have deal with your fear.
Johnny.
Me ensure, say, me give you your money.
The
me
money you did have for me for a long time. You see? And you never give me. Me no bother want it. Listen to me now. You see that money there? You know where you go take it and do with it? You go a some little children home. You know where children's homes them? Boys' homes. Infirm we were old people there. We can't help themselves and they don't have no family to support them. You are going to take it there and buy stuff give them and give the people them some of the money to help them buy food, toiletries and everything to help them. Me alright.
Anything you want, my
God
friend.
will help me. As long as I do that,
I promise you, I'm going to make everything clear, crystal clear. I'm going to do it. I'm going to make sure you see it.
Johnny, as long as you do that, everything good between me and you. But I forgive you. Me understand and me know how money go with people when them a friend, when it come on to money. Some people, not everybody. This go for the people them way. Not really genuinely take another person who help them and support them from the beginning. You know, when them bust in a life, then forgot about them. But that's okay. I swear to God, me forgive you. Me forgive you before you even me even hear say you're dead.
Thank you.
And I'm forgiving you again right here. Me accept your apology. For all of the foolishness that we are going with. But don't worry. I am still here. And in case you go down back, although me know say you have your money like that now, you still can come to me and ask me for any little thing because that is just me. I will still help you.
And me want to return the favor by helping you now. And you said do the charity, and
Just
you
do
say help
that.
out the elders,
Yes.
and you say help out the infirm.
Yes, just do that for me.
I will
I forgive
definitely
you.
do
Just do that.
I will be doing that.
Please and thanks.
Can you get a hug?
I forgive you, yeah?
Thanks.
Don't worry yourself.
Want to see the shirt already, right? Dr. Jack Bedroom Tonic. So, as we always say, if there are persons out there that want to improve them sexual experience, link up Dr. Jack. See the number up on his shirt. You know me, I say he has some male enhancement pills. At the end of the day, people might feel afraid and say, oh, me no need that, me no need that. It's not no Viagra. You know me, I say it's not a Viagra. It's a healthy product in terms of natural herbs and bushes them him use make the capsule them, and they are for enhancement. You don't know, you can't expect say if you are 50 or 60 or 40, you're gonna be the same as a 19-year-old and 20-year-old. You know what I say? So it just help to boost your sexual drive. And not only that, on a day-to-day basis, if you're a man who work hard, you know say you're gonna need something for just give that extra strength because you work hard. You know what I mean? I'm not talking about sex, I'm talking about from a healthy perspective. You want something to make you feel healthy and strong. So the pill also helps to boost that. And it also has a bottle for the ladies that we need to get them body detox. If you can't get pregnant, that can also help you. So link him up. See him Instagram handle there. So you can check him out on Instagram. It's Dr. Jack Bedroom Tonic. Check him out on Instagram, and here is his telephone number. Link him up, and yeah, he can make some arrangement how you get him product. All right.